Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you that PEPE formed a very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and when it broke out that inverse head and shoulder pattern, then in this video almost a month ago I shared this breakout with you, and I was telling you that now PEPE can start a very massive move to the upside. And the technical target for this breakout was, by the way, you can see this was the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And the technical target that I was telling you for this breakout was here. That was at this long-term resistance of 439. That was previously working as a resistance here on this first weekly candlestick. And now you can see that this resistance after the breakout, you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target, but found another resistance here at $0.001. And now this previous resistance of 439 is breaking as a very nice support. And this is the second week that the price is testing this support and could not break it down. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And by the way, this is a quite long-term, a very powerful move. You can see that it rallied more than 1706%. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this recent down channel formation. You can see that for the past several days it is moving inside this down channel, and now recently it is bounced from the support of this channel once again, and from this long-term support of 439 that was previously breaking here as a resistance on the 7 days time frame chart, and now it is breaking as a support. And at the same time, it is also testing a quite long-term uptrend line support as well. You can see that if I place a trend line here, then you can see that we got rejection here, we got almost 4 or 5 more rejections here. And if I extend this trend line more, then you can see that now recently the price line is bounced from this uptrend line resistance that is now flipped into a nice support. So we have one support of the channel here, we have the one support of 439 and this uptrend line support as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared, by the way, in the month of Feb 2024, on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far this move has produced a very massive rally, almost 1150% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move. And this move was formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart, and this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying range starting from 9.3 and goes to 88. And this was the sell target zone, and below 88 was our stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. And this was almost 1150%. Very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of PEPE, and first of all let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And this was the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. And I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this channel, the inverse head and shoulder pattern, then we can expect a very massive pump. By the way, before breaking out this neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern, it also formed this down channel as well, and this channel I've been showing you on the daily time frame chart in my so many previous videos. And I was telling you that as soon as it breaks out this channel, it can also break out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And you can see that after the breakout we had a very massive pump, and now it is testing this support of 439 after finding a resistance here. We got rejection, drop down at this support that was previously breaking at the resistance, and now it is breaking as a support. At the same time, on a daily time frame chart, you can see that we have found the uptrend, the downtrend resistance, and this downtrend line support, and this is the formation of this down channel, and at the same time it is also testing this up trend line resistance as a support, and also testing this long-term support of 439 that was previously breaking as a resistance here. And therefore I'm expecting that there is a probability that the price may break out this channel, and once it will be able to break out this channel, then target for the breakout will be here at the top of the channel, and over there we have a lot of resistance at $0.001. And once it will be able to break out this resistance of $0.001, then this resistance will be flipped into a very long-term support. Like previously, this resistance was flipped into a long-term support, and this time this resistance will be flipped into a long-term support of $0.0015, and once it will be flipped into a support, then this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.